Why is nobody talking about this? Alright, so TikTok didn't want to upload my original sound, so I'm gonna have the voice of mess. Start unboxing this here. There is a lot of accessories, and I mean a lot. Some I know what they do, some I don't, but I'm just gonna keep going here. Got the old classic stretchy thing there for the old style vacuums. Got a good little crevice tool here, yes sir, and this blew me away, like literally blew. It's a blower, an air blower on the exhaust side of the vacuum. Who thinks of this? Like, so much potential wasted, and they used every ounce of it. Now watch me struggle to get this out. Everything easily accessible. You also have this 10-foot long cord because it's excessively long. And all 300 pieces of this kit fit right in this bag. Who needs a $50,000 minivan with a built-in vacuum when they got this bad boy?